5 biggest hits. Turn it down. Back to back. This is your Pop Crush Weekend Top 25 Countdown. Number 9. I didn't think you would understand.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Ogle County in north-central Illinois until 8:45 p.m. At 8:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Forreston, or 8 miles south of Freeport, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Morris, Forreston, Leaf River, Adeline, and Baileyville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.